Alrighty. After Christmas, guys are out here at the office. Going to start taking down Christmas lights today. Get them all down. Get them all organized. Get them in all the tubs, and then get them in the storage warehouse, and be ready for next November for next holiday, which will be 11 months from now. 11 months from now, we'll be putting these back up, Jeff.
Yeah.
Why are we taking them down, Rudy? Why don't we leave them up? We'll be ready to go.
Yeah, leave it down.
See, that's unusual. She smiles at me. Usually she gives me, you know, she, We got the waterfall turned off here. With the cold weather, we just got the water circulating here for the fish. Fish are up eating a little bit this morning. Alrighty, let's get in here and take a look what's going on here with the girls. See what they got going on. Mrs. Waters,
Morning.
how are you?
Fantastic. How are you?
I'm doing good. Happy 2023. 2023. Miss Caitlin, how are you doing back there? Alrighty. You ladies have a good morning. Alrighty, I gotta get to another job site. We got a Chick-Fil-A job, Chick-Fil-A lawn sprinkler installation job that we're starting today. So I'm gonna get down to that job site and we'll talk to you guys later. So we're in Bowie, Maryland today with the 301 down here on the 301 near Home Depot and Lowe's in Bowie, Maryland. We're retiring in this lawn sprinkler system. They did a bunch of modifications to the building after they rebuilt, put up a new building. Anyway, it's been a long process. They've had a lot of work going on. So they asked us to come back in and get the system fixed up. So we installed 8 new sprinkler zones today. And over here at the drive-through line on the exit side over here, we successfully went underneath the 25 feet of concrete apron and got underneath with our directional bore machine, and now the guys are hooking up and going to pull underneath the driveway 1.5 inch PVC pipe, as well as the lawn sprinkler control wire, so we can tie into the water source on that side of the property, as well as get back to the controller, because all that was cut up when they put this driveway in back in the summer months, and they were too busy to have us down here. So we're down here now when they're a little bit slower, and going to get all this tied in so they'll be ready to go. So this is going to be all completed today, and they'll be good for summer. How you doing down here, sir? Getting her hooked up? Huh? Getting rid of all the dirt. You got Gary Johnson out here holding up Christmas lights? No. Rudy, have you lost your mind? How'd you guys do at office?
Done.
Complete?
Yeah, it's only with gray motor on the front.
Uh-huh.
The big one. That is the one we already got left.
Okay.
But there's the one we already stayed there all the time.
Yeah, we'll take it down this year, though.
Take it
Last
down?
year we left it, and it took Jeff a lot of work to get it straightened out because it was girdled into the tree. So we'll take it down this year. Did you already get the big tree down?
Yeah.
Okay. We can take that one down tomorrow.
I'll leave it this one because we don't know if we already take it down. Or
Yeah. No, you did right. But I think it would be good to take it down.
Okay.
Because it was starting to leave marks in the tree.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah, that's the one we already, everything is so tight.
Yeah. Okay. Were you able to find some tubs?
Yeah, right there.
Okay.
I got 13.
13 of them.
Yeah.
Costco's got a lot of tubs.
Yeah.
Good for storage.
Yeah. I see last time we already went to go there.
You were at Costco over the weekend?
Yeah, and we already got a lot of tubs.
Is there a Costco near your house?
It's close to be. Costco is way close to the Route 1, close to the NBA, close to the Mike Place.
Okay.
It's the next. To
Oh
Mike
yeah,
Place.
yeah. You're right.
The new
Yep,
one we
yep,
already-
yep, yep, yep.
It's there.
That is a new one, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, there's a Costco over there?
Yeah, it's Costco.
Yeah,
Route 1?
that's a new one over there.
Oh, okay. I hadn't seen that one.
It's over there toward MVA.
Yeah, I know
Yeah.
where NVA is because we used to. Ferguson and a bunch of stuff was behind all that stuff back in there.
Yeah, it's a lot of
Ferguson's still there.
Oh, is it?
Yep,
Okay.
think so.
Yeah, Costco's still there. Yeah,
Huh.
he's there.
Alrighty, well, I'm gonna get to another job site. You guys are rock and rolling.
Yeah.
Alrighty, we'll talk to you guys later.
Okay, that's fine.
That wraps up another episode of Life of a Contractor. We'll talk to you soon. If you like this, like, subscribe, subscribe, and we'll talk to you in the next episode. Talk to you soon.